How to check your Windows edition. So first of all, you have to open up settings in your device. So for that, you can use the search bar, and in the search bar type in settings. So once you land on your device settings, head over to your left hand side. There you'll find this menu bar. Here click on system. Now under system, scroll all the way to the end, and here you will have an option as about. You have to click on it. Now under your about page, scroll down a bit, and under Windows specification, you will find your Windows edition, version, and all of other information regarding your Windows. So here, in this way, you can check your Windows edition. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.